Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a realistic denim texture using simple tools. So the first step is to draw a small square on your paper. Now comes the interesting part. Instead of drawing every single line with a pencil, I am using needle to gently scratch fine vertical lines on the paper. These tiny scratches will catch less color later and help create the natural look of denim. I always like to practice the texture in a small area before applying it to the garment illustration. This helps me understand the texture and control of the shading. Once the texture is ready, I begin coloring with the light blue Staedtler color pencil. I apply the color softly and evenly over the entire square. Don't press too hard. It's always better to build the color gradually with light layer because it gives a smoother and more realistic finish. This is a technique I use in my fashion illustrations, and it's a perfect for students, beginners and anyone who wants to make their fabric rendering look more professional. After the base layer is complete, I take the dark blue color pencil. This is where the denim starts to come alive. I add darker tone along the edges and in selected area to create depth and dimension. Layering different shades of blue gives the fabric a more natural appearance. I continue blending until I am happy with the result. Remember, denim is never just one flat color. The beauty of denim comes from its variation in tone, highlights and shadows. If you want an even more realistic effect, you can keep some area lighter to represent highlight where the light naturally falls on the fabric. This small detail makes a big difference in your final illustration. And that's it. With just a needle and a few colored pencil, you can create a beautiful denim texture that looks much realistic than simply coloring with one shade. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fashion illustration techniques, fabric rendering tutorials and design tips. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy sketching!